So guys, this might be my best improvement so far. It's going with 3750 axles. I'm testing if the power delivery in my printer is high enough to cover that, but for the time being you can see that it's very quiet. I've installed throat dampers yesterday, so you can see them in action. I'm still finalizing this project, it will be shortly available. And to give you a perspective, till I started working on the dampers and the stabilization system, I've been running the printer with 500 axles only, and it was very loud. So now it's going with 3750 and it's very quiet. I've also installed one of the V-slot, single V-slot dampers behind the printhead. This is the second single V-slot damper I'm installing in the system. It can be printed with supports, but it also can be printed without supports, and I'm printing it without supports. It will look a little worse from the bottom of it, but I don't really care because this part is going next to the frame, so you don't really see it. That's why I prefer to print it without supports. So we can see that the only sound that is coming here is a little bit from the printhead, but mostly it is from NEMA steppers and the move of the printhead and the bed. No sound at all from the rods. So this print is running with 50 millimeters a second speed. It's TPU 92A, so I can't really go much faster, maybe a little bit, but if I tried going faster, the filament is getting stuck in the extruder. So the best speed that worked for me so far is 50. And this is the proof of concept of my printhead stabilization system. I just put it together with temporary solution. So nice and quiet. And this is the part where it's going, where it should be printed really with supports. So that's why you can see the filament falling down, because it's going beyond the actual model. It's trying to print horizontal like plate for keeping the V-slot damper blades. So I hope that you will enjoy my models and happy printing.